I've just made this much money only with Google searches. Step 1. Copy the text. Step 2. Paste it here. Step 3. Just wait for a few minutes and then just... Hey guys, Rana here, and if you complete all the steps of this video, you will be able to make this much money only with Google searches and affiliate marketing. By the end of this video, you will be able to generate pure passive income right from your home without investing any money at all. And this works almost in every country in this globe. On top of that, it can be either done with your phone, your laptop or your computer. So grab your phone or laptop and let's get started. Before I show you the step number 1, I want you to know this. Don't just watch the video, follow each and every step and take action. If you just watch the video without taking any action, it won't work for you and you won't make any money. Before we move on, I would like to introduce you with today's video sponsor, PRBoost.io. If you want to make your brand stand out and earn trust fast, PR Boost gets your business featured on top news sites like Yahoo Finance, Business Insider, giving you the powerful as seen on batch. Displaying these trusted media logos on your website instantly boosts visitor confidence, showing you are credible and established brand. It's a simple and effective way to increase the conversion and grow your business. Start building your brand's credibility today with PR Boost. Link in the video description. And now let's proceed with the video. So in step number 1, go to this URL and it'll take you to Mangle's website. We'll make money by combining this tool with Google without needing a website or any traffic source. Mangle is a SEO tool. SEO means search engine optimization, which helps a website rank on a first page of Google searches. Step number 2, on this website, click on this create a free account button. On the next page, enter your email and password and then confirm your password. Now check this box that says I'm not robot and then click on create my free account. Now you will receive a verification email at your email address. So now let's open your mailbox and then click on confirm my account button to verify your email. So as you can see, your account has been successfully verified. This SEO tool is great for website owners or small businesses to rank on first page of Google searches for particular niche or any keyword. Now step 3, click on Mangle's logo and then click on the dashboard. Now click on affiliate. This is your affiliate ID. Click here to copy it. Now go to bit.ly.com, which is a link shortened service. Link in the video description. Now click on get started for free. On the next page, use your Google account to sign up on this website. Now click on remind me later. Now you are ready to shorten your long link. On this website, click on create new and then click on link. Here you need to paste your Mangle's affiliate ID. So copy it. Now on Bitly's website, paste your Mangle's ID, but make sure to add Mangle's homepage URL like this. Now simply click on create button. So this is your shortened link. If someone buys any Mangle's plan, you will get 25% recurring commission. It means you'll keep making money as long as your referral subscribe to Mangle's plan. And you only need to do this once and you'll keep making money for lifetime. Now copy the shortened link and keep it in any safe place either on your phone, laptop or computer. So step number 4, open google.com and just think for a second who need a better SEO. Well, every website owner need a better SEO. In fact, people who just launched their website, people who are struggling to rank their website on Google and want more visitor, especially those who can take benefit from the tool so that you can make passive income every month. Keep watching because you are about to be blown away. This makes you thousands of dollars and you need to do it once. Do you know how many websites out there who can invest in Mangle's plan? As we know, there are 1 billion websites available on internet and you need only hundreds of them to sell Mangle's SEO tool. And the question is how we're going to find those people and how we're going to sell the Mangle's plan. And here you need to do some work. I'm not talking about hard work. You just need to do a smart work. Now go to Google and search for any businesses. It could be a grocery store in USA, a gym, or maybe a dental hospital in any country. Literally anything you can think of, especially small places in any country. For example, you can search for patent taxes. You can literally search any new or old businesses who are struggling to rank on Google and not appearing the first page of Google searches. Try out different variation in search term to find a website that are not ranking. Step 5. When the search results appear, go to the second or third page and look for the website whose content related to your keyword search on Google. If you see the ads in the Google searches, don't click them, just skip them and scroll down to the second or third page. Open any of these websites. For instance, I'm going to open this website. On this website, I need to find a contact us page. It could be either at the top of the page or maybe at the bottom of the page. Once you find the contact us page, open it. Here you need to fill in the contact us form by typing your email or any required information, and below that you need to type the script that you can find in the video description. In a nutshell, in this script you are basically telling the website owner that their website SEO could be better if they try this amazing SEO tool. You can use this tool for free before buying it. You can write this script in your own word, or you can use my script that you can find in the video description, or you can use AI to write a script for you. Anyways, all you have to do, you have to find all those people and send them a message individually. You can send your affiliate link or referral link immediately, or you can wait for their reply and then send them your referral link or affiliate link. When they click on your affiliate link and buy a Mangoes plan, you will make money just like that. So that's it. This is how I make this much money. So if I could do this, you can too. So if you found the video useful, don't forget to hit the like button, that would be appreciated. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this one. Thank you so much for watching this video. Till then, I'll see you guys next time.